How's it going, guys? Feeling a little bit better today. It's Rob here, and me, Devin, and Chris Strat, Devin OG. Uh, we are going to race 16 races. Right now, we're going to qualify for Daytona. I just rolled a dice, and 8 came up. 8 come up. So we're going to have 8 TV drivers, and let's see how often from the stack we're going to go. We're not going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere between 1 and every, and we'll go 1, 2. Let's say it's 1. We'll go 1 down. We'll flip that many cards and then flip one over. But let's see how far it is. Let's shuffle them a little bit more. Oops. Shuffle them just a couple more times. I got all of us three, the 3 drivers involved, separated quite a bit in there. So let's see, 8 TV drivers, and we're going to take 5 cards down. That's a 5. All right. It was a 5. So we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to flip it over. Jody Ridley. All right. Jody Ridley is our first TV driver. And let's see. Sixteen is hot week in laps. Hot week in hot laps. Placement A plus a performance chip. Placement A for a non-trophy driver means he will be the top driver in the middle group. He'll take 20th place. That's the first one. Next one. 5 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next TV driver. Devin. Devin will be a TV driver. Let's see what happens to him. The only thing we won't do is if it says don't allow him to race. He's going to race. If for some instance it says you don't make a race, you crash out or whatever, we're going to make him start 43rd. So we're not going to let him not race, but we'll give him the worst possible thing. If it gives him something terrible, if it gives him something good, well, we'll see what happens. It is 46 with a 1. Hot weeks in practice. Plus performance chip. Are you gold or silver? No, you are not. Non-trophy driver placed at the top of the bubble stack, which we'll go ahead and give him 21st. Devin's 21st. Good as he can got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lake Speed. 3rd TV driver. 66 with a 1. TV Event X. TV Event X with a 1. Let's go to TV Event X. What happens to Lake Speed? 51. Appearance on ESPN segment promoting the race. Placement C for him. Placement C. I think it'll put him in the bottom group. Trophy driver. No, he's a trophy driver. Position in the middle group. All right. You always get the odd side, and then you'll fill in the even side if we have to. So he's starting 9th. Good starting position for Lake Speed. 4th one upcoming. 1, 2. Let's see. Let's open up chat in case we have someone come in. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Rusty Wallace. 33. I believe that's going to be another TVX. Yep, TV Event X with a 6. So let's see what happens here. TV Event X. 4th driver out of 8. They're going to be our TV drivers this week. 61 appearance on a late night TV talk show Placement of C, he's going to go into the middle group all the way back to 19th, though. So he's a fourth one. He's our fourth driver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kolwicki, Alan Kolwicki. 21 with a 5. 21, sponsor event. In race city features autograph session with driver. Placement C. Goes in the middle group. He will go up to 17th. And that takes care of 5 of us. Let's see who else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bobby Hillen Jr. 21. I think we've already had a 21, haven't we? Sponsor event in Race City features autograph session with driver. Placement C. And he will be placed 22nd since he's not a trophy driver. 6 of us down, 2 to go. 1. Whoops. 1, 2. Yeah, it's probably a short session. 3, 4, 5. Richard Petty. 21 again. Oh my gosh. Placement C. He's with a 6, so he'll go right there. Wow. Can we get something away from a 21, please? In our last TV driver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jeffrey Bodine is a TV driver. 41. 41. Driver praises sponsor and TV segment. And he's got with a 2 there. Placement C. Middle group. Wow. Leaves a lot of openings for the top group. All right. Those are our TV drivers, and I got to remember to put the TV drivers away right now. That's my bad thing. I always end up leaving them out. Okay, so speed starts 9th. Jeff Bodine. 11th. Kolwicki. 17th. Richard Petty. 18th. Rusty Wallace. 19th. Ridley. Jody Ridley. 20th. Devin in a 28 car. 21st. Good start spot. And Hillen Jr. starts 22nd. So that's our starters for TV drivers. TV now will go in the bag. And I'll explain more and more as we go. But right now we're going to have fast weeks in practice or fast week drivers. Now be placed in another group right there. There's OG right here. So I got to pull his regular card out. We will not need that. Anybody right there, I've got that regular driver. Won't need that. And this is Chris's. This Chris Stratt. That's his card. Okay. And here's my card. I'm going to be number 18. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw those in here like so. And I'm going to mix them up just a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Okay. 43 car field. Let's see, what's the next round I'm going to have going on it? Let's see. Roll 2 metallic dice. Randomly select drivers for the fast week stack, okay? All right. So gold are the only ones can go in that. Gold and silver is the only ones can go in the top group. So me and Chris want to get picked soon as possible now. That's just the way it works. All right, here we go. Fast group. Fast qualifying week of 6. 6 of us. And every 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, top card. 1, 2, 3, top card. All right, here we go. Fast week in practice. 1, 2, 3. Richard Childress, bronze. He'll go right. Oh, yep, highest available in the middle group. So that's 1, 2, 3. Wasn't it 3? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it was 3. Yep. Morgan Shepherd, highest available in the middle group. 1, 2, 3. Darrell Waltrip's going to be on the pole. That's 3rd driver. 2, 3. 4th driver. Bobby Allison starts 2nd. 4 of them. 2, 3. Cale Yarborough starts up there. 1, 2, 3. James Hilton will start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one will be our 6th and final driver. 3. Dale Earnhardt will start 4th. All right. Now, due to the fact that OG, Chris, and myself are in the field, we've got to have less drivers make the field. So, some without trophies that are not us, we're yanking them right here, right now. So let me start that, okay? So now anytime they have a trophy at all, they're going to start at number 5, and we're going to work our way down. If they don't have a trophy, they're not going to make a race. And then at the end, if we have to fill in spots, we will. But we want to make sure us 3 get in. All right. Phil Parsons, you may not make a race. Rusty Wallace is in the race. Oh, Rusty's already in. I'm sorry. Rusty's already in as a TV driver. Okay. I've got to remember that too. I don't want to have 2 of everything out here. So I got to make sure that I don't have drivers that have already. Buddy Arrington. Okay. Rick Wilson. He's not a TV driver, so we'll put him to the side there. Buddy Baker. He's not a TV driver, but he's a trophy. David Pearson may not make the race. Dave Marcus makes the race. Tommy Gale may not. Oops. Greg Sachs may not. Bobby Hillen, he's a TV driver. He's one of our 8. Yeah. Alan Kowicki, he's a TV driver, right? Yeah. 4th TV driver we got to the side. Michael Waltrip, he may not make a race. Bodine, Jeffrey Bodine, he's a TV driver. That's our 5th. You got to find 3 more of those. Lake Speed is also a TV driver at 6. Terry Labonte starts 12th. Bill Elliott starts 13th. Ron Bouchard starts 14th. Jimmy Means, you may not make the race. Me, I guess actually start 24th there. Dick Trickle, you may not make the race. Cecil Gordon, you may not make the race. J.D. McDuffie, you may not make the race. Dick Brooks, you may not make the race. After we get these 2 filled right here, we'll put trophy drivers down the side, and then we'll fill in the rest. Mark Martin, he's filled in the middle group, so now trophy drivers are going to fill in the rest right there. And then some of these that are non-trophy drivers, that's Chris Strat. He's going to start 26th. So 21st, 24th, 26th. That's cool. All right. Let's get all our trophy drivers in there, and then we'll worry about placing everybody else. Ronnie Thomas. Just now forgot to say Kenny Schrader, Sterling Marlin, and Ricky Rudd are all behind Chris. Davey Allison. Brett Bodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We haven't seen Devin's card yet. That'd be 7th. Who is the other? Richard Petty, the other? Maybe it is. Maybe it's Richard. And be Jody Ridley. He's one of them. Okay. Yeah, we do have OGs. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need Richard Petty's card. Benny Parsons. Joe Rutman. Harry again. I bet this is Richard Petty. It is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Perfect. Now, non-trophy drivers from 36th to 43 will fill in their spots. So the majority of the time, we're going to start somewhere between 20th and 35th. Somewhere like that. We're going to get a decent starting spot. And now I'm just going to run these out of here. Just like so. All right. No particular, in particular order, but no, all I'm doing is just taking them off the top. All right. And we got one more. We should have about six drivers not starting. I think it's 6. It's normally 3. And then when you add us 3 into it, and we should make about 6 drivers, I would say. Yeah, it is. 6 drivers that did not make the race are, let's put them in numerical order. Okay, come on to me here. We won't go much further today. I just want to make sure my throat's getting better. I am not my throat, but my cold and everything's doing better. So I just want to make sure that I don't overdo today. All right, these are our 8 TV drivers. They're regular card. We don't need them this race, so they're put away. Our D and Q did not qualify. 24 Cecil Gordon. All right, 30 Michael Waltrip. 51 Greg Sachs. Wow, the wind's blowing so mean on the East Coast today. 52 Jimmy Means. 2 more. 64 Tommy Gale. And finally, did not qualify, 84 Dick Trickle. All right. Trickle did not make it. So those 6 drivers we put in there, and they will not be in the race when I attempt to try to do this probably tomorrow. I think today will probably be a stretch trying to do it. I may try to get an hour's worth in tonight or whatever, but I'm going to keep the board just like it is here. I'm not going to do anything different. Let's give you the full rundown of the starting lineup. Starting on the pole, let's see, not a TV driver either. Number 11, Darrell Waltrip. Starting second, number 22, Bobby Allison. Third, 28, Cale Yarborough. Starting fourth in the 3 car, Dale Earnhardt. Starting fifth, 67 car, Buddy Arrington. Sixth in the 88 car, Buddy Baker. 7th, 71 car, Dave Marcus. All right. Let's get to middle group now. Middle group, starting 8th. 3-car, Richard Childress. First TV driver of the day, starting 9th. 83-car, Lake Speed. Car 75, starting 10th. Morgan Shepherd. Car 5, also a TV driver, Jeffrey Bodine. Starting 12th. 44-car, Terry Labonte. Starting 13th. The 9-car, Bill Elliott. Starting 14th. The 47-car, Ron Bouchard. Starting 15th in the 42-car, Kyle Petty. Starting 16th in the 6-car, Mark Martin. Starting 17th, he is a TV driver, number 7, Alan Kulwicki. Starting 18th, he is a TV driver, starting in the 43-car, Richard Petty. Starting 19th in the 27-car, he is a TV driver, Rusty Wallace. Now let's go to the bottom group. Bottom group. TV driver, starting 20th in the 90-car, Jody Ridley. TV driver, also YouTube blogger, OG Devin. In his 28 car, he's going to start 21st. Another TV driver. In the 8-car, Bobby Hillen Jr. And that will do it for TV drivers, I think. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 8 TV drivers. Now let's start at 23rd. 48-car, James Hilton. 24th, 18-car, yours truly, Rob. 25th, starting position. 27, Tim Richmond. 26th position, 76-car, Chris Stratomatic. 27th car, 27th place, I'm saying, starting position. In a 25-car, Ken Schrader. 28th position, starting. In a 44-car, Sterling Marlin. 29th. In a 26-car, Ricky Rudd. 30th position, starting in a 28-car, Davey Allison. Starting 31st. In a 15-car, Brett Bodine. Now let's work his top row going back across. In the 32nd position, 12-car, Neil Bonnet. 33rd position, starting in the 72-car, Benny Parsons. 34th starter, 98-car, Joe Rutman. 35th position, starting in the 33-car, Harry Gant. 36th position, starting 36th position in a 70-car, J.D. McDuffie. Starting 37th In the 90 car, Dick Brooks. Starting 38th, 72 car, Joe Milliken. Oh, boy. Starting 39th, 25 car, Ronnie Thomas. Starting 40th, 17 car, Roger Hamby. I'm about to give out myself, so I know I'm gonna have to quit. 55 car, 41st position, Phil Parsons. 42nd position, 4 car, Rick Wilson. And the final starter, 21 car, David Pearson. I won't be racing at least until tomorrow, probably Sunday. I'm going to keep taking my medications and everything I'm supposed to be doing. Keep aboard just like this. We're ready to roll. And I'll try to give somebody a few hours notice ahead of time. 50 turns. 1/3 of the race will be at lap 16. 2/3 of the race will be at after lap 33. After lap 16, after lap 33. And that'll make that'll be what we check off. All right. We hope to have everybody that's possible can come and watch the race. Looks like it's going to be Sunday afternoon now. Sunday morning, maybe. All right. God bless. Stay warm, folks. If you're out in the cold, get out of this wind too, okay? All right. I want to thank you. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And watch all my friends too, because I tell you what, they have some good stuff going on. Thank you for the well wishes, folks. And I'm coming along, getting better. All right. Thanks a lot. Starting lineup right here for race number 1.